Hello, everyone. Tom from EverystepPhysics.com, EverystepCalculus.com. This is a physics problem. A greased pig slides from rest down a frictionless ramp into frictionless circular track of a radius of 4 meters. What is the magnitude of its centripetal acceleration as it reaches the lowest point? The diagram has the pig starting from a height of 8 meters. So since this asks for centripetal acceleration, we're going to go to that in the menu, physics, to get to the main menu. Scroll down to the C section, all alphabetical. I try to do that in all physics problems, is to search what it's asked for. That would be the intelligent way to do it, as far as I'm concerned. So we got centripetal acceleration. Now you know the formula for that is v squared over r. But there's no v given, no velocity given in the problem. So because we're students of engineering or something like that, we have to think a little bit in our own minds. Everything can't be just handed to us. And so we need to say, well, what is v, or where can we get v? Well, a little bit of practice in my program, we would then go we get out of the program. We do that by pressing on, escape, and back home to physics. And we choose physics again. And now we choose centripetal velocity. And what we're given here is radius and height in the problem. We choose that. However, when height is given, radius is not in the formula, so I'll tell you that. So we enter the height that's given, which is alpha. We have to press alpha before we enter anything in these entry lines here. Alpha 8 meters. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay. And the velocity is 12.5 meters per second. The formula is the square root of 2 times gravity times height. And we enter these in here and we come up with these calculations. So now we go back to the main menu. We remember that. Write it down, of course. Everything you see, you write down. And we're going to scroll down to centripetal. You can use second and to go down screen by screen. Second, to get to the menu quicker. And we're going to choose centripetal acceleration again. We're going to enter the initial velocity, alpha 12.5 that we computed in the other one. That's meters per second, number 4. And we're going to enter the radius, alpha 4. Meters, number 3. I ask you if it's okay. And here's the formulas. Velocity squared times 4, which is these calculations come to 39.06. And the answer in the problem is 39.1 in a multiple choice problem. So you circle that and you got it perfectly correct. Have a good one.